All right, so if you'd like a deeper understanding of all these properties, I'd encourage you to play along with this little, or play a bit with this simulator. I'll share it in the Canvas shell. But basically, we've got a container here. We've got a thermometer to measure the temperature. We've got a pressure gauge to measure the pressure. We've got this little heater or cooler to make the gas hotter or colder. And then we've got this little pump to increase the amount of gas molecules, right? So we can see everything's zero. We're at 300K. Let's go ahead and pump some gas molecules into here. Right, and you can see our pressure is changing, and then it'll stabilize eventually. Right, so we've got about 13, 14 atmospheres of pressure in our little gas. So let's see what happens when we increase the amount of heat. Right, you can see our temperature scale is going up, and our pressure is also increasing as well. And we can select to keep things constant. So, for example, we could keep pressure constant, but change temperature. And so what we can do is we can increase the volume, and we can see in order to keep our pressure the same, we had to go to a higher temperature. So anyways, just check this out, play around with a little bit. It's fun. If you pump too much gas and you make it hot enough, pump up the pressure too much, right? They pop open, it has this fun little animation, and then you can, return the lid and that kind of stuff. Press this to start over. You can add different types of gases. So these are kind of smaller gases. These are bigger gas molecules. And what you'll notice is that even though they're at the same temperature, they're moving at different speeds. So we'll learn about this a little bit later on. With kinetic energy is equal, but that doesn't mean that the speed of the molecules is equal, right? A baseball going 100 miles an hour does not have the same kinetic energy as a car going 100 miles an hour. But again, we'll touch on that later. Just play around with this little simulator. It's pretty cool. And you can explore other things such as diffusion energy, which we'll touch on later.